Each hot tub is different, but every hot tub benefits from simple, consistent maintenance, and regularly cleaning and testing will prevent a lot of hot tub headaches in the future. Here's how to create an easy to follow schedule for taking care of your hot tub. Check it out. Okay, so each hot tub has its own special needs when it comes to water chemistry and repairs, but there are several maintenance tasks that every hot tub needs on a regular basis, and these can be broken out into daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly checklists. So first, here's your checklist for daily hot tub maintenance, and this will only take you a few moments every day. 1. Ensure your spa cover is clean and secure. A properly secured cover keeps heat, water, and chemicals in while keeping debris, pets, and kids out. 2. Check the water temperature and adjust as necessary. Drastic temperature changes can mean a serious system issue. And 3. Check for damage to the cover and spa. This is especially important for outdoor spas, which are exposed to animals and the elements. Next, here's your hot tub maintenance checklist you'll need to do 3 times a week. 1. Check the water's alkalinity and pH. Hot tub alkalinity and pH are one of the most important parts of water chemistry, so test and adjust these levels as needed. 2. Check your sanitizer levels. Sanitizer keeps your spa water clean and free from bacteria. And 3. Clean above the water line. Wipe away debris that might throw off your water chemistry. All right, here's your weekly hot tub maintenance schedule. Try to combine these with your daily and 3 times a week tasks and schedule them when you have a little bit more time, like on the weekends. 1. Test your hot tub water. Each week, you'll need to check your alkalinity, your pH, and your sanitizer levels. You'll also need to test them again after you adjust them. The good news is, this step also counts as one of your 3 times a week tasks. 2. Sanitize and shock your water. Regularly shocking your hot tub recharges your sanitizer and keeps your hot tub healthy. 3. Rinse your hot tub filter with water. A clean filter protects against cloudy water, funky smells, bacteria, and algae blooms. And 4. Wipe down your spa cover, because cleaning the cover inside and out protects against mold, mildew, and the nasty smells they bring. Next is your monthly hot tub maintenance checklist. Once a month, it's time to do some serious maintenance. 1. Give your filter a chemical rinse. This deeper clean clears out more of the crud than just water alone. Just replace one of your weekly water rinses with a chemical rinse. 2. Examine your hot tub jets. Are they clogged or frozen? If so, it might be time to troubleshoot your hot tub jets. And 3. Have your spa water checked by a professional. Pros have access to more advanced testing equipment and can help you identify and solve water quality issues before they turn disastrous. You'll also need to perform quarterly hot tub maintenance. Every 3 or 4 months, you'll need to empty out your hot tub, give it a good clean, and make sure everything's in good working order. 1. Give your filter a chemical soak. This is a super version of the chemical rinse and gives your filter the deep clean it needs to keep your hot tub free of contaminants. 2. Clean your hot tub cabinet. You can touch up any cosmetic or structural damage here too. And 3. Drain, clean, and repair your hot tub. A quarterly drain and clean helps remove chemical buildup and other gunk that can cause performance issues. The best time to make repairs is when you drain and clean your hot tub, so be sure to check out our other video on just how to drain and clean your hot tub. Finally, here's your yearly hot tub maintenance checklist. For a well-functioning hot tub, we recommend you tackle these at least once a year. 1. Flush the lines to remove bacteria and biofilm. It's actually a good idea to use the line flush anytime you drain and refill your hot tub, but this should definitely be done at least once a year. 2. Inspect your hot tub's hardware and wiring. Look for damage from wear and tear, pest, or a chemical imbalance. 3. Have a professional perform a tune-up. They'll evaluate all your hardware and wiring for potential issues. 4. Inspect your cover. Keep an eye out for physical damage, moisture absorption, and mildew or mold infestations. And 5, update your hot tub maintenance calendar. As the years go by, you'll learn what works best for you and your hot tub. So, once a year, take a look at this maintenance schedule and decide what your hot tub needs and when. If you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. The best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know and to help out your fellow hot tub owners. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the hot tub handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.